have eyes open. Say hello. Hey, you can put me down, lady. Put me down. I want my mommy. There's one baby. Look at you, baby. The eyes. Oh, sit still. Sit still. No, I don't want to. Please, quit it. Let's see the baby. Oh, they're feasting. Okay, let's go over to the other ones. There they are. There's my little ones. Oh, what's that mean? Baby. Let's see. Here's extra large. Biggie. Hi, Biggins. Hi. Hi, Biggins. Look at your little teeny. There's your tiny sissy. There's your little sissy. Say hi. Hi. Look at the difference. One. Oh. Hold on. There's one. There's two. Wow. Huge difference.
It's your medium.
Yeah, we got extra small,
Extra large, and medium.
medium, oh, super sized. Trying to get my feet. Mama, hi, Mama. Give baby.
Oh, look, super size is the first one in line for milk.
Oh, of course. He's my baby, huh? Hi. Look, you need a bath. You need a bath. But you go, Mama. You go, Mama. Where Mimi? Where Mimi? Mimi. Get over there with your baby. And then there's your baby. Yeah, good kisses. Good girl. Good kisses. Good kisses. Good girl. Good night-night with the baby. Good night-night with the baby. You go, Mama. Oh, little one's out here because the fat ones won't slack up a little. Get back, biggin. Get back, biggin. Oh, where's my mom? Oh, man, I can't find my mom.
The little one's turn. She's eating.
Let me see that face. I gotta see that face again. Oh, goodness.
He's even got wrinkles. He's so fat.
Him looks like a Sharpie. Oh, let's see that belly. Look how fat him is. Oh, I'm tired. Let's see your brother. Whoa. Hold on, Mr. Ramsey. Ramsey. There's Ramsey. Oh.